Students, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, decimals. Decimals, fractions with denominator 10, 100, thousands are called decimal fractions. Example, 7 by 10, 17 by 100, 27 by 1000 are decimal fractions. So, when they are written as 0.7, 0.17, they are called as decimal points. Okay, so tenth means if we divide one complete whole into 10th part, then each part is called 1/10. Suppose this is a 10, this is a rod, and we divide into 10 parts, then each part is known as 1/10th. Okay, so 1/10th can be written as 0.1 and read as 0.1. This is known as decimal. Okay, children? So, in this chapter, we are going to read about what are decimal, reading and writing decimal, place value chart, converting decimal into fraction, converting fraction into decimal, like and unlike decimal, equivalent decimal, comparing decimal, addition and subtraction of decimal, multiplication of decimal, division of decimal, word problems on decimal. Okay, now we have to keep in mind 1 is equals to 10th, 10/10. 1/10 is equals to 10/100. Okay, and 100 is equals to 10,000. So children, let's do 7th A exercise. Write the shaded part as a fraction and a decimal in each of the following. We have to write it in fraction. So how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 part is there. So how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are colored. So we will write as 7/10. Okay? Or in decimal, we will write as 0.7. Okay? Now part B. So part B is there. So how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts are there. And how many parts are colored? 9. So 9/10. और डेसिमल में कैसे लिखेंगे? 0.9. Okay? Now how many parts? 1/1. Okay? Now this part C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many parts are colored? 3. So 3/10. और डेसिमल में कैसे लिखेंगे? 0.3. Okay? Now part D. We have to count it down. Okay? So this is of 100 and 10, 20, 30 and 3. So 33/100. और डेसिमल में कैसे लिखेंगे? 0.33. Okay? Now this part is 9/1000. और in decimal 0.123. Okay? Now part F. It is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2. 52/100. So in decimal 0.52 answer. Okay, children? So you have to do this in your classwork copy on your own. Just draw this figure and write answer 7/10 or 0.7. Okay? This you have to do on your own. Now question 2. If 79 parts are chosen out of 1000, what is the fraction represented by the chosen part? So fraction is equals to 79/1000. Okay? If 79 parts are chosen out of 1000, what is the fraction represented by the chosen part? So fraction में कैसे represent करेंगे? ऐसे करेंगे. This is answer. And this also you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, children? Now reading and writing the fractions. So before reading and writing the fractions, let us take the example 172.56. Okay, so 172 and 5600. पॉइंट के इधर से 10th होता है और इधर से 100 होता है. चलिए पहले चार्ट देख लेते हैं हम. सो दिस इज आवर चार्ट. सो ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is normal counting. Okay, this is point or decimal. This is 10th, 100 and 1000. Now the counting started from left hand side. So tenths, hundreds and thousands. Okay children, so this is whole number, this is fractional part. So 1/10 is equals to 10/10. 1 is equals to 10/10. 10/10 is equals to 100. 100 is equals to 1000. Okay, so this is a place value chart. Okay children, so here if expanded form is given 316.725 in expanded form, then we will write 300 plus 10 plus 6 plus 7 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 5 upon 1000, like this. Okay, or 300 plus 110 plus 6 ones plus 7 10 plus 2 hundreds and 5,000. Okay children, now let's do 7b. Write each of the following decimal in words. We have to write the decimal in words. Okay, copy down this question in your classwork. So it is 7.2. Okay, now part B. What is part B? Part B is 18.1. Point 1. Now part C. What is part C? So it is 5.39. Okay. Now part D. Part D is 80.36. 80.36. Point 36. Okay, now part E. Part E 123.4. Point 4. Okay, now F 278.99. Part G. Part G is 0.56. Point at 639.812. Okay, now I 45.096. J 79.34. K 88.1. L 528.003. ओके, ऐसे लिखेंगे आप. ई तक हो गया है. आप एफ से लेकर एल पार्ट तक होमवर्क है, ये आप अपने खुद से करेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. राइट द फॉलोइंग in expanded form. Okay, so part A is 15.6. Okay, so 15.6, 10 plus 5 plus 6 upon 10. Okay, और or we can write here, or 110, 5 ones, 6 tens. Okay, now part B. What is part B? 28.76. 28.76. So 20 plus 8 plus 7 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100, or 2 tens plus 5 ones, 5 ones plus 7 tenths plus 6 hundreds. Okay, now part C. What is part C? 105.25. Okay, so 100 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. Okay, or we can write it as or 100 plus 0 tens plus 5 ones plus 2 tenths plus 5 hundreds. Okay, now part D. Now 96 plus 713. So 9 tenths plus 6 ones plus 7 plus 7 tenths plus 100 plus 3 DTHS, thousands. Okay, or we can write it as 90 plus 6 plus 7 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Okay, so we have done part A, B, C and D. Now part E is for your homework, part F is for your homework, part G is for your homework, and part H is for your homework. And homework you have to do in your homework copy. Give the place value of the colored digit in each of the following. Now we have to find the place value. Now copy down question number 3 part A. So 3 की देनी है. So 3 की place value क्या है? 3 by 10. Okay. Now part B. Part B है 71.06. अब इसमें 6 की बतानी है. 6 की कितनी है? 3 by 6 by 100. Okay. Now part C. C में 42.7. 2 की देनी है. 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू 2 है. पार्ट डी 108.225. अब इसमें किसकी देनी है? हमें 5 की बतानी है. सो 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 5 upon 1000. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. सो 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू 6. इसमें 3 की वैल्यू 3 by 10. इसमें 9 की वैल्यू 9 by 100. इसमें 1 की वैल्यू 10. ओके. रिमेनिंग पार्ट वी हैव डन A B C D. Part E, F, G and H you have to do for your homework. Okay children? And answers I have already given to you. Okay? Now next